Hello YouTube, my name is Lightning Maloney. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make hand sanitizer because we are dealing with the human malware virus. And I'm going to teach you how to get sanitizer because people are being big morons and taking damn well everything. Toilet paper, sanitizer, everything. Except my good old Mountain Dew, except my good old SodaStream Pop because I bought flavors. Alright, so what you're going to need is going to need some also purple alcohol. You know, at least get 90. I got 91. Rubbing alcohol. Do not drink it. Bad things will happen. It smells like alcohol. Then you need some aloe vera lotion. I got some of this junk. Then you're going to need a big mix. Oh my Bob, I almost fell. Then you're going to need a big bowl to mix it in. Then you're going to take 3/4 cups of rubbing alcohol. And then you're going to do that. And then you're going to take 1/4 aloe vera lotion. Put in a bowl. And then you're going to mix it. And then you're going to whisk the crap out of it. I couldn't get mine really jelly. Like jelly. Like gel. It's liquid. It works. And also if you want some stuff, put 11 drops of essential oil in it. I don't have oil. I got lemon drops, so I put that in. So then you're going to just, mix it. Then you're going to whisk the crap out of it. And then you're going to put it. Then what I did is I put my bottle in the sink. And I kind of just poured. You could use a funnel, but I didn't have funnel. And, and then what you do is after. Then you're just going, jeez. Then you're going to put it slowly. And you just put it together, and there you go. I wish I would put more in it, but I don't mind the smell of alcohol. I really don't. I know some people do. But there you go. That's how you make hand sanitizer. So what do I want to say? Be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Isolation. I know. It's not fun. But I hope it helps. And tell me in the comments you make it. And tell me in the comments if you got like gel. Maybe I did something wrong, but it at least works. I'm pretty sure it's semi. If you can't find this stuff, then make it yourself. My name's Light Malloy, and have a lightful day. And bring home the hardware and stay safe in quarantine. And I will be streaming and making more videos. And I got my McGoggles. See you in the next one. Goggles!